Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Essentials. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency, you know how crucial it is to keep your assets safe. Today, we're tackling a hot topic: how to transfer crypto from Coinbase to your Ledger wallet in 2025. With new updates and enhanced security features rolling out, this process is more straightforward than ever, but always remember, double-checking steps can save you from headaches. Let's jump right in. First, ensure you have your Coinbase account set up with the crypto you want to move, and your Ledger device is connected and updated. Start by logging into your Coinbase account via the web or app. Once you're in, head to your dashboard and select the specific cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, that you wish to transfer. Next, click on the Send or Withdraw option for that asset. This will open a form where you'll need the recipient's address. Now, switch to your Ledger device. Unlock it and open the app for the crypto you're transferring, for example, the Bitcoin app on Ledger Live. Generate and copy the wallet address from there. Pro tip: always verify the address on your Ledger screen to avoid any typos or errors, as crypto transactions are irreversible. Back on Coinbase, paste that wallet address into the recipient field. Double-check that you're using the correct network, like the Ethereum network for ETH, to prevent failed transfers. Enter the amount you want to send, and review the fees and total. If everything looks good, hit Confirm, and approve the transaction if prompted on your device. Once submitted, the transfer will process on the blockchain. This could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network traffic. Finally, check your Ledger wallet to confirm the crypto has arrived. Congrats! You've just secured your assets better. A quick reminder: always enable two-factor authentication and never share your private keys. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you in the next video.